Hi students, good morning. The continuation part, integration topic. Okay, in that we are now discussing indefinite integration. Okay, so far we have discussed 100 formulas. Integration of a power x, integration of x raised to n, integration of a power x, integration of sin x, integration of cos x, integration of 1 by x is log x, integration of tan x not discussed, integration of cot x not discussed. So integration of secant square x tan x, integration of cosec square x minus cot x, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square sin inverse x, integration of 1 by root of integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x, integration of 1 by x under root of x square minus 1 dx sec inverse x, integration of x squared x cube by 3, integration of x square by 2, integration of 1 dx x, okay, integration of 0 constant, okay, and properties also we have discussed. Okay, now let's practice the problems. Yesterday we have discussed, we have practiced some problems. Now textbook problems we will practice. So first exercise 7.1. In that, from 1 to 5 I will discuss later. From 1 to 5, question number 1 to 5 I will discuss later, because now we are discussing first basics. Okay, from 6th question onwards now I am going to explain. Okay, find the following integrals. Find the following integrals. Question number 6, integration of 4 into e power 3x plus 1 into dx. See, this is, they may ask like this also, or the way of asking the question, find antiderivative of 4 into e power 3x plus 1. The question they may ask like this, written way also, find antiderivative of 4 into e power 3x plus 1. This is and this is, both are same. Antiderivative nothing but integration, this is simple. So in question paper sometimes they may ask like this also, so don't confuse. So this and this is, both are same. Okay, integration 4 into e power 3x plus 1 in dx by property, and sum of integration of 4 into e power 3x dx plus integration of 1 dx. In that, what is the constant here? 4 e power 3x. Actually this is further next level you will get it, because you know e power x only. Now I am going to this question next level, so I am going to discussing here writing e power x, 4 into e power x, because e power 3x integration e power 3x by 3, that concept still have not discussed. Okay, now I am discussing basic problems. Okay, e power x dx plus 1 dx. 4 is constant, integration e power x dx plus integration of 1 dx. 4 into e power x integration e power x plus integration of 1 dx x plus c. This is e power 3x integration. Further you will get this integration is e power 3x by 3. E power 3x by 3. If you apply differentiate this, we will get this. See, e power 3x differentiation is e power 3x into 3 get cancelled. So this is next concept. Okay, that is level 2. Now I am discussing level 1. So that's why here I have not seen 3x is there. So that is next concept. Okay, here basic e power x. So change the question is the example. 6th question I will discuss that. Next, seventh question is integration of x square into 1 minus x square into dx. See, is it possible u into v here? No, because so far I have not discussed u into v formula, so don't use it. Strictly you should follow the standard formulas. In the standard formula I have not discussed u into v. I discussed only u plus v. I taught u plus v and u minus v. The plus is there, we can split. If constant is there, we can take out. But product is there, product of two function, how to find integration, that concept I have not discussed. So that's why don't create. Okay? So what to do here? Into is there. So into concept not there. Now we have to make it splitting. By splitting, we will get plus and minus concept. Sum of. So integration of multiple x square into 1, x square minus this into this, x square into 1 by x square dx. So integration of x square minus 1 dx. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus 1 integration x plus c. Understood? Okay. I think 8th question we have discussed. Integration of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Yesterday we have discussed this integration. Yes? It's over. 9th question. Integration of 2x square plus e power x dx. 2x square plus e power x dx. Tell me, splitting here, u plus v. Integration of 2x square dx plus integration of e power x dx. In that by property 2 take out. So 2 into integration of x square dx plus integration of e power x dx. 2 into integration of x square x cube by 3 plus e power x integration e power x plus c. Next, 10th question. Integration of root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx. Is it containing standard formula? No. X square, it looks like x square, but it is not x. It's not in the form of x raised to n. Why? Because x raised to n, where x differentiation is 1, but this differentiation is not 1. So not applicable. Some students, they will write like this: integration of x raised to n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. By this concept, they think that this is considered as x. So x square integration x cube root x minus 1 by root x whole cube by 3. This concept, this is the way wrong. Why? Because when it is applicable, the base derivative is constant or 1 should be there. But the base derivative is not 1. Root x differentiation is 1? No. 1 by root x is 1? No. That's why this is not applicable. This formula is not applicable for this. So that's the difference of differentiation and integration. In differentiation, for this problem also we can use exponential formula. d by dx of root x, for example, d by dx of root x minus 1 by root x whole square is there, we can consider as x square. X square differentiation is 2 into root x minus 1 by root x into d by dx of this. Okay, but that concept don't apply for integration. So are you following? Now what to do? We have to split a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula: a square integration of root x whole square plus b square 1 by root x whole square minus 2ab root x into 1 by root x dx. Root x whole square is x plus 1 by x minus 2 into dx. X x integration of x dx, we can write direct also. Just for understanding purpose, to practice property, have spread separate. Integration of x dx, integration of 1 by x dx minus integration of 2 dx. Or you can write direct also like this. Have instead of writing two steps, one step also you can write 2 into x square integration x cube by 3 e power x integration e power x. Okay, but initially you should write like this. After getting concept, you can write direct. Now x integration is x square by 2 plus 1 by x integration log x basic minus 2 is constant integration of 1 dx x. When you 2 take out integration of dx, integration of dx is plus c. X cube plus 5x square minus 4 by x square dx. Here also u by v property don't know. U by v is no. Integration of u by v no. We can't split. This is separate. This is separate. We can't write it. Because that property also I have not discussed. I have discussed only 3 properties. What is that? U plus v, u minus v. Next k into integration of f of x dx. U by v, u into v are not discussed. That's why don't do like that. Don't create own properties. Why I am telling? Because most students will do blindly that. Because the differentiation we have done u into v and u by v, that concept they will apply here. Okay, right. What to do? We should avoid u by v. To avoid that, first we have to split x cube by x square plus 5x square by x square minus 4 by x square into dx. Now integration of x cube by x square is x plus 5 minus 4 by x square into dx. Integration of x dx, right? Integration of 5 dx minus integration of 4 by x square dx. Integration of x dx plus 5 is constant, integration of 1 dx minus 4 constant, 1 by x square. How can find x raised to minus 2 dx, which is in the form of x raised to n. Now x integration x square by 2 plus 5 integration of 1 dx x minus x power minus integration x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. After finishing integration, add c. Just x square by 2 plus 5x plus 4 by x plus c. 4 by x plus c. 12. Integration x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x dx. Splitting here, x cube by root x plus 3x by root x plus 4 by root x dx. Right? X cube by root x, a raised to m by, here a raised to n equal a raised to m minus n. This is 1 by 2. Okay? X power 3 minus 1 by 2. Correct? X cube by root x. Root x means x power 1 by 2. A raised to m by a raised to n. A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. This is a power m. This we can write x power 1 by 2. Here x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2. Correct? Plus 3 x by x power 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into this take up x power minus 1 by 2 dx. Don't neglect dx. Dx should compulsory should write it. Okay, integration, because one student he done well integration. Okay, he failed in maths. After that he got the soft copy, true copy that. Okay, he given to me to WhatsApp, he sent me. I have checked it. Okay, he done 5 marks question integration well. What he done mistake, dx not written. Because of that, he lost the marks, 5 marks. 5 marks, last means he got 29 something, 28, would have passed because of this. He done excellent, very good, but the problem is dx. That's why be careful I am telling you. Okay? Don't neglect, we should write compulsory dx. If not write dx means meaningless. That is integration of f of x with respect of x, the meaning is this. X power 3 minus 1 by 2 and 6 minus 1 5 by 2 plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 dx. Splitting here, integration of x power 5 by 2 dx plus 3 constant x power 1 by 2 dx plus 4 constant x power minus 1 by 2 dx. X power 5 by 2 integration x power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 x ratio formula plus 3 into x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So x power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 3 into x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus 4 into x power by x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Take out 2 by 7 x power 7 by 2 plus 2 get cancelled, 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 2 into 4 8 into root x plus c. Thirteenth question. Integration x cube minus x squared plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 dx. What should we done? How this question is? What he done? Integration x cube minus x squared plus x minus 1 dx by integration of x minus 1 dx. Next, x cube integration 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 different minus 1 integration is minus x by here x integration is x square by 2 and x integration x square by 2 minus x. Okay, it's wrong. If you apply differentiate this, you should get this one. Okay, this is the way wrong. Understood? So this is in the form of u by v. U by v we don't know in the integration. So if it is u by v, we should add it. Okay. So think how to make this. By splitting possible? By splitting possible? Is it possible to split? No. Why? Because x cube by x minus 1. If you write also, finding integration in u by v only. Here single term is there, we can split. We will get single term in the form of x ratio. But this is not like that. Very good. Numerator cubic equation in the form of cubic equation. This is x cube minus x squared plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 dx. In this, I am going to take common x squared, then x minus 1. X minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x minus 1 into dx. Integration of what is the common in both? X minus 1. Then remaining x squared plus 1 by x minus 1 dx. Now get cancelled. Now integration of x squared plus 1 dx. See, there is a u by v. It was u by v. Now it is no u by v. Directly we can find it. So this is the way to find integration. Okay. So don't create like this u by v. Separate. Not your concept. The mass concept you should follow. Okay. Integration of x squared x cube by 3 plus integration of 1 to 1 x plus c. 14. Integration of 1 minus x root x dx. Multiply 1 into root x minus x root x dx. Integration of root x minus x root x equal to x power 3 by 2 dx. Root x integration x power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Minus x power 3 by 2 integration x power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So it comes 2 by 3 x power 3 by 2 minus x power 3 by 2 plus 1 means 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 means 2 by 5 plus c. So we can write like this also. It's enough. If you want to take common, this we can write x root x. X root x. Minus this is 2 by 5, x power 5 by 2. We can write x square root x. Correct? 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. X square root x plus c. We can take common root x also. 2 root x also we can take common. 2x root x also we can take common. The simplification, when we use objective question, if they know, there is a problem. In exam, in theory exam, you can stop up to this also, you will get the marks. But in objective question, A, B, C options are there. If this option not there means you should change. You should simplify. So the way of simplifying I am telling you, which is useful for objective questions only, not for theory. Theory you can stop anywhere, no problem. So what is the common here? 2x root x take common. We'll get 1 by 3 minus x by 5. Correct? X by 5 plus integration root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. Multiply here 3x square into root x plus 2x root x plus 3 root x dx. 3 is a constant. Okay, x square root x. How much? X power 2 plus 1 by 2 means 5 by 2 dx. Plus 2 constant x root x power 3 by 2 into dx. Plus 3 constant x power 1 by 2 dx. So 3 x raised to n formula x power 5 by 2 plus 1 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus 1 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus 3 x power 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Okay, it comes up 2 into 3 6 by 7 x power 7 by 4 by 5 x power 5 by 2. Okay, 6 by 3 3 get cancelled 2 into x power 3 by 2 plus c. Integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x dx. Splitting here, integration of 2x dx minus 3 constant, integration of cos x dx plus integration of e power x dx. 2 is constant, x integration x squared by 2 minus 3 cos x integration sin x plus e power x integration e power x plus c. Get cancelled x squared minus 3 sin x plus e power x plus c. 17th is homework. You try yours. 18th. Integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x dx. Okay. Integration of sec x into sec x, secant square x plus secant x into tan x dx. Integration of secant square x dx plus integration of secant x into tan x dx. Tell me the secant square x integration is tan x. Plus integration of sec x into tan x, sec x. Sec x. Plus c. Question number 19. Integration of secant square x by cosec square x dx. 1 by cos square x, and this is 1 by sin square x. It comes up sin square x. Correct? 1 by cos square x, 1 by sin square x, which is equal to tan square x. Yesterday we have discussed tan square x. Tan square x is not there in the standard list. Then what to do? Convert it to the standard formula. Tan square x dx, tan square x equal formula secant square x minus 1 dx. Now integration of secant square x is tan x minus 1 integration x plus c. Okay. Now the homework. Question number 20. Example exercise 7.1. Okay, question number 20. 20 and 21 and 21. 22 I will explain. 21. An example. Page number 205, 295